Okay. So as we have already covered signed and unsigned integer, so all the programming languages normally வந்துட்டே இருக்காங்கப்பா, என்ன தூங்கி எழுந்து வராங்களோன்னு தெரியல. Okay. Already computer arithmetic consists of signed and unsigned integer. So all the programming languages like C, Java, all the informations we have covered with the integers. So integers are two types, you all know, signed and unsigned. What is unsigned and signed also you know. So these programming languages also support some fractional values, fractional numbers. So which is also called as reals in mathematics. So what are some examples related with real numbers? Fractional numbers அப்படினு பார்த்தா book related screenshots. So they are given as example all pi values, all the exponential values, then the values with seconds in a nanosecond or seconds in a typical centuries, all can be come under the classification of real numbers. Okay, just wait, we'll admit the student. Okay. So got an idea what are all the floating point numbers, pi value numbers, exponential values, seconds in a nanoseconds, or like this representations 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 9. Then in centuries if you want to mention, this is two are said to be scientific notations. So got an idea of examples of real numbers. Only if you understand what is a floating point numbers, then we'll go for the other slide. Any doubt in the slides? Reply yes or no.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So real numbers, by definition, if you want to cover both the rational and irrational numbers are said to be real numbers. So again, both positive and negative are all denoted with the real number concept. Natural numbers, decimal numbers, fractional numbers, all comes under the category of real numbers. So these are the examples of real numbers. Rational, integers, whole, natural, irrational numbers. ஒவ்வொரு நம்பர்ஸ்க்கும் ஒவ்வொரு ரேஞ்சஸ் இருக்கு இல்லையா, நம்ம படிச்சிருக்கோம். டேட்டா டைப்ஸ்ல இன்டிஜர் ஹேவ் டு பி வித் த ரேஞ்ச் from few numbers to other numbers. அதே மாதிரி rational numbers, fractional numbersனா float numbers with some range of values. So what are the real numbers? What are the informations comes under real numbers? A recap. Rational, fractional numbers, integers, both positive and negative numbers. Whole numbers have to start with 0. Natural numbers start with 1. Irrational numbers, all the square root values, pi values. Okay. So now in our case, in our computer architecture subject, when we are covering floating point numbers, we have to deal with 32-bit signed integer. So if you want to represent that 32-bit signed integer, with that allotted memory space, we can place the value signed integer in a range adukku meeri varaporadilla. But in the case of fractional numbers, is this 32-bit signed enough? Or unless irukku இல்லையா, it is bigger when compared to the 32-bit signed integer. So what we have to do? So from the previous examples, the last two numbers is called as scientific notation. So in the listed examples of real numbers, the last two is said to be scientific notation. So how to identify a scientific notation number? You can just have or decimal numbers representations இருக்கும், fractional numbers into 10 to the power minus 9. This format, this type of representation is called as scientific notation. Any decimal numbers, decimal point numbers, along with the base, இது வந்து decimalனா base 10 to the power exponential value இருந்தா, these two examples comes under what type of notation? Scientific notations. This you have to keep in mind. The terminology, which has single digit to the left of the decimal point. So எப்படி நம்ம ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணலாம்? From the given example, which is said to be scientific notations, whenever a decimal value before left side of the decimal value will be only one value represented. which has a single digit to the left of the decimal point. This is decimal point, you know. Any decimal point after there was only one digit available, then it is said to be represented with the scientific notations. Okay. So the last two examples comes under scientific notations, which has single digit to the left of the decimal point. Again, in such cases, what you have to analyze is a number in a scientific notations that has no leading zero, meaning leading zero na, we should not start with the zero. Always scientific notations we say whether if it is a non-zero value or no before the decimal point. So a number in scientific notation that has no leading zero is called as normalized number. இப்ப தெரியுதா எதுக்கு இந்த terminology நம்ம படிக்கிறோம்? As yesterday we have discussed, for any given floating point we have to convert it to its binary form. We have to do biasing, we have to normalize the fractional value. அந்த மாதிரி நம்ம steps நேத்து பார்த்தோம். So what are the terminology you have to keep in mind under floating point representation அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா scientific notation examples. Then what is a normalized number? When we say a fractional number is a normalized number. Okay. When there is no leading zero, then it is called as a normalized number. Example. 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 9 is a decimal number where a decimal point before is only one digit, a single digit to the left of the decimal point into 10 to the power minus 9. This is no issues. When you see this type of values, then we say it is in the normalized scientific notation. So they can ask in an MCQ questions giving some example which comes under scientific notation, which is said to be a normalized number from the given example. Then you have to identify which number has no leading of zero. 1 point la start agudhu, then it is said to be a normalized scientific notations. But 0.1 or 10.0, that should not be a normalized scientific notation. Any doubt in this slide? Please reply. So first we have discussed what is floating point, what are the real numbers, what are the examples for a real numbers, pi values, exponential value, scientific notations are all comes under real numbers or is also called as floating numbers. Next we saw what are all the real numbers. Then two terminology you have to understand, what is said to be a scientific notation, what is said to be a normalized number. So previous last two examples are said to be scientific notations. How to identify whether it is a scientific notation terms? Any decimal point before there should be a non-zero value. It should not lead with a zero. Start with a zero as a value. 0 point அப்படின்னு start பண்ணக்கூடாது. 1.0 அப்படின்னு இருந்தாதான் scientific notation terminology. Again the term you have to remember, which is said to be a normalized number. A number in a scientific notation that has no leading zero, then we say it is a normalized number. Example, 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 9 is a normalized scientific notation, whereas 0.1 or 10.0 is not a normalized form. Any doubt in the slide, students? Please reply yes or no.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Normalized number மட்டும் எனக்கு இந்த 10.0 புரியல மேம். அது
10.0 நார்மலைஸ்டு கிடையாது. எந்த நம்பர்ஸ்லாம் நார்மலைஸ்டு நம்பர் சொல்றோம்னா in a scientific notation that has no leading zero. ஜீரோல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணக்கூடாது. லைக் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 0.1 அப்படி ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணக்கூடாது. அதே மாதிரி 10.0னா பாயிண்ட்டுக்கு, டெசிமல் பாயிண்ட்டுக்கு இங்க நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. சயின்டிபிக் நோட்டேஷன்னாவே சிங்கிள் டிஜிட் டு த லெஃப்ட் ஆஃப் த டெசிமல் பாயிண்ட் இருந்தாதான் அது சயின்டிபிக் நோட்டேஷன். அப்போ சிங்கிள் டிஜிட்னா இது ஒரு சிங்கிள் டிஜிட். Then this is said to be a scientific notation. Another term you have to remember, when a number is said to be a normalized number, when the zero is not the first number, அதாவது leading zero, 0.1 or 10.0, it is not said to be a normalized number. Only the value 1. இப்போ பைனரி நம்பர்ஸ் தான் நம்ம கன்சிடர் பண்ண போறோம். பைனரி டிஜிட்ஸை தான் நம்ம வந்து ஃபுல் நார்மலைசேஷன் பண்ண போகும்போது எப்பவுமே ஃப்ளோட்டிங் பாயிண்ட் பைனரி கான்செப்ட்ல 1.0ல தான் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகணும் நார்மலைஸ்ட் ஃபார்ம். 0.0ன்னு ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகக்கூடாது. காட் த பாயிண்ட்?
எஸ் மேம்.
Now if you see more examples then you will understand. Okay, just two terminology you have to now remember. So just as we shown a decimal number in a scientific notation, we can also show in a binary number in scientific notation. இப்போ இது வரைக்கும் நம்ம பார்த்தது எல்லாமே being a human being we know what are all the floating point numbers, what are the real numbers, how to represent in a decimal numbers we know the knowledge of converting any type of number to a decimal number, or we can just replace the decimal number and you will go for calculation part and mari. But this computer can understand a decimal number, it have to be converted to its binary form, zeros and ones. So அதனால தான் இந்த full study நம்ம படிச்சிட்டு இருக்கோம். So just as we show decimal number in scientific notation, similarly we have to represent a binary number in a scientific notation. So அது எப்படி? ரொம்ப simple. As I have already told, this is said to be a normalized scientific notation. So you have to start with without no leading zero, we have to start with what? Non-zero value. Appo 1.0. This is a binary representation. What is the base for binary? 2 into 2 is the base, exponential minus 1. How to represent a decimal number in a scientific notation we have seen in the examples. So if this is a decimal number, yes.
ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வெளியில வெயிட் பண்றாங்களா மேம்?
இது வரேன். கிளாஸ் முடிச்சிட்டு கூட வர சொல்லுங்க, அட்மிட் கொடுத்துறேன். எல்லாம் டைம் கீப்பே கிடையாது. சரி, ஓகே. ஸோ இது ஒரு டெசிமல் நம்பர், ஹவு டு ரெப்ரசன்ட் இன் அ சயின்டிஃபிக் நோட்டேஷன் வி ஹவ் சீன். சிமிலர்லி இல்லை, கிளாஸ் முடிச்சுட்டு கூட நான் ஒரு 5 minutes முன்னாடி அட்மிட் பண்ணிடுறேன். எதுக்கு இப்படி வரணும் இன் பிட்வீன்ல வந்து டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்றது? How to represent a decimal number in a scientific notations we gone through. So what is a binary number in scientific notation? So normally binary numbers na zeros and ones combinations are இருக்கும். And we have already told which is a normalized form. Single digit have to be given before the decimal point and that should be a non-zero value. So this is the follow-up. Base 2 you all know, into and the exponential you have to mention to the power minus. Keep a binary can increase or decrease by exactly the number of bits. The number must be shifted to have one non-zero. It is just the explanation what we have covered in the previous slide. Just the same follow. Every decimal point அப்படியே நம்ம யூஸ் பண்றோமோ அதே கான்செப்ட் தான் பைனரி scientific notationக்கும். Before the decimal point, that should be a non-zero value. Here, base cannot be 10 as we are dealing with binary number in scientific notation. So we have to give a name. Instead of decimal point, we have to mention as binary point. அவ்வளவுதான். இந்த ஸ்லைட்ல இருந்து இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் இதுதான். ஒரு decimal number in a scientific notation, we know how to write a binary number in a scientific notation. Like this you have to note. And what are the base you have to remember. And same concept of decimal number தான். And instead of decimal point, here we have to replace the term as binary point. So computer arithmetic that supports such numbers are called as floating point because it represents numbers in which the binary point is not fixed as it is for integer. So normally C languages we give a data type called float for these numbers under the programming language. The binary point numbers in scientific notations. So instead of decimal, how they have represented 1 point and 2 to the power the exponential value. The standard scientific notations for real is normalized form. Whatever real numbers, whatever floating numbers have been given to you, you have to, they can ask the scientific notation for real numbers if it is in a normalized form. Normalized binary point at the normalized form. It can simplify exchange of data that includes floating point numbers. So data is replaced பண்றதுக்கு ஈஸியா இருக்கும் when you normalize the given fraction value. Okay, அது ஒரு benefit. Again benefit, floating point arithmetic algorithms to know that numbers will always be in this form. So இப்ப நம்ம further நம்ம படிக்க போறோம் இல்லையா. Now we have just started with floating point representations என்னென்ன, அது எப்படி கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணோம் binary form, then further how we have to replace in the single precision and double precision வரைக்கும் நம்ம இப்ப பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். In further topics we will cover floating point algorithm, arithmetic algorithm in a hardware related நம்ம பார்க்கும்போது, when it is in a normalized form it is easy for them to replace the values. அதான் சொல்ல வராங்க. So to know that numbers will always be in this form, இப்ப எப்பவுமே normalized form தான் நம்ம represent பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்னு இருக்கவே தான் the increased accuracy of the number that can be stored in the word. ஸ்டோரேஜ் இருக்கு இல்லையா, ஒவ்வொரு வேர்டுக்குமே ஒரு ஸ்டோரேஜ் ரெஜிஸ்டர் ஸ்டோரேஜ் இருக்கும் இல்லையா, it will be giving an accurate result when we convert into its normalized form. So algorithm is also framed in such a way, only if it is in a normalized form the calculation will be perfect அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். Okay, since the unnecessary leading zero are replaced by the real digit to the right of the binary point, so this can be most of the what value can be in an accurate manner because we do the follow up இல்லையா. எப்பவுமே when a number is a normalized number, when we say a single digit to the left of the binary point is only one digit and there should not be no leading zero. Zero should not be started. So these are the advantage in using normalized form. Floating point representations. A designer, you being a computer architecture, if you want to represent a floating point in your hardware, must find the compromise between what and what? The size of the fraction and size of the exponential. Because floating point numbers nave combination of both fraction and exponential. And the numbers are நம்ம floating point numbers சொல்றோம். Examples பார்த்திருக்கோம். So designers of a floating point representation must find the compromise between, they have to decide so size of the fraction and size of the exponential, because a fixed word size means you must take a bit by one to add another bit. அப்ப hardware design பண்ணிருப்பாங்க, and the hardware designers வந்து they will keep in mind for how much of size of fraction the exponential is supporting, and with respectful of these two terms only the hardware design can be made. Okay, under the floating point representation. So if you want to add two fractional values, so bit by bit you have to add in many cases la these two terms have to be compromised. Meaning is either you are using a single precision format or a double precision format, you have to mainly focus on these two terms இல்லையா. fractionalayum depend பண்ணிருக்கு, exponentialum depend பண்ணிருக்கு. So there should be a trade-off. Trade-off na compromisations இருக்கணும் between a precision and range. Precisions na enna? What are the two types of precisions under floating point representation? Please reply. What are the two types of precisions?
Single precision, double precision.
Very good. Ranges comes under exponential. Okay. So increasing the size of the fraction enhance the precision of the fraction. அதே மாதிரி increase the size of the exponent, increase the range of the numbers. So they can ask for an MCQ question. Okay, difference between a precision range. If you are going to increase the size of the fraction, enhance what? Precision of the fraction. If you are going to increase the size of the exponent, it increase the range of the number. They can ask for an MCQ question. As we have already discussed, what is a single precision format? Need not get confused with these numbers. Just 32-bit representation 0 ல இருந்து 31 வரைக்கும் place பண்ணிருக்காங்க. As you all know, the field present inside a single precision for floating point, there will be a sign bit, 1 bit for it. If it is a positive number, 0 have to be represented. If it is a negative number, 1 have to be represented. Exponent values within 8-bit you have to place. Fraction 23-bit allowed. What is this single precision format? So floating point numbers are of the form -1 to the power. This is sign bit. This is a normal floating point representation. They can ask for an MCQ question. How to represent a floating point number in a computer arithmetic representation? Okay, -1. This for sign bit. That's why they have represented the whole of S into F for fraction field and E for exponent field. Why we are mentioning 2? Why we are mentioning base 2? Please reply. Why we are mentioning base 2? Because we are dealing with binary floating point. Yeah? Base 2. Simple. Kindly note down. You need not get confused. Book. What they have explained is, எப்படி ஒரு normal multiplicationக்கு there is a possibility of overflow, underflow concept படிச்சிருக்கோம்ல. overflowனா 32 பிட்டுக்கு தாண்டி 33rd பிட்ல வந்து வேல்யூஸ் பிளேஸ் ஆகிறதுக்கு இடம் இருக்காது. அந்த டைம்ல overflow occur ஆகுது நம்ம படிச்சிருக்கோம். Similarly, for any floating point value, if you want to replace within the single precision format, for all the floating point we can't do. If you have a large amount of numbers, அதான் சொல்லிருக்காங்க. In an MIPS computer arithmetic, so extraordinary range are there. So fraction almost as small. If you are having a small fractional value 2.0 into 10 to the power minus 38, and number almost as large as 2.0 to the base 10 into 10 to the power 38. So given decimal number, now we have to convert it to binary form. And the process la irukku. But when you analyze the value of floating point here, you can't replace within a 32-8-bit la place பண்ண முடியாது. Either exponential oda value place பண்ண முடியாது. At the same time, if you have converted the given decimal to a binary, adoda fractional value within a single precision format la, if you are not able to replace, then there occur overflow. Try to understand. So overflow interrupt can occur in a floating point arithmetic as well as in an integer arithmetic. Notice that overflow here means that exponent, kindly note it, exponent is too large to be represented in the exponent field. For example, first we have considered single precision floating point. Idoda exponential length evlo kuduthirukanga? Please reply. What is the size of an exponential field? Allotted bit evlavu?
8 bits.
8-bit. But you have exponents too large to represent within that exponential field, then there occur an overflow. So in most of the floating point numbers, the single precision format cannot be supported. So to distinguish it from overflow, we call this event as underflow. Another word, overflow is also called as underflow. So this situation occurs when a negative exponent is too large to fit into an exponential field. One way to reduce changes of underflow and or overflow is to offer another format. So we have to go for another large format. So which format, which precision we have to depend on? If single precision format is not supporting for all type of floating point value, then what precision we have to go for? Double precision. So in C, this number is called as double data type. You know, double number represent பண்ணுவோம் language idla. And operations or doubles are called as double precision floating point arithmetic. So single precision format only we have seen in the earlier thing. Okay. The representation of double precision format number takes 2 MIPS word. Apana 3232. So here also, as you have covered in the field of single precision, S is mentioned for sign of the number. Exponent is the value. But how much of bit is allotted for double precision? Double precision எவ்வளவு bit? நேத்து அனலைஸ் பண்ண டாபிக் அப்படியே கோ த்ரூ பண்ணுங்க. How much bit is allotted for exponent under double precision?
11, ma'am.
11. What is a single precision exponential field value?
8.
Good. This terms and bits you have to remember. And fraction is the 52-bit number in the fractional field. 52 number, இது வந்து bit size சொல்ல, கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆயிக்காதீங்க. ஏன்னா ஐ ஹவ் டோல்ட் இல்லையா, டோட்டலா எவ்வளவு பிட் ரெப்ரசென்ட் பண்ணுவோம்? 64 பிட். டபுள் ப்ரிசிஷன் சப்போர்ட் 64 பிட். 0ல இருந்து 61 வரைக்கும், சாரி 0ல இருந்து 63 வரைக்கும் சப்போர்ட் பண்ணும். அண்ட் ஸ்பிளிட் அப்ஸ் பார்த்தா 0ல இருந்து 52, அதுக்கப்புறம் 53ல இருந்து 62, அது மாதிரி தான் நம்ம போட்டிருந்தோம் நேத்து. அண்ட் லாஸ்ட் 63, ஐ மீன் 63 வரைக்கும், அப்புறம் லாஸ்ட் 64 இல்ல லிஸ்ட் லாஸ்ட் 63. ஸோ அதனால இந்த ஃபிராக்ஷன் இஸ் த 52 பிட் நம்பர்னு போட்டிருக்காங்க. அப்ப சைஸ் எவ்வளவு? fraction part under double precision, what size I have mentioned yesterday? Can anybody refer and tell me? Under double precision format, how much of bit is allotted for fractional part?
20, ma'am.
Double precision ku 20. Good. For single precision, fractional value எவ்வளவு bit?
23 bits, ma'am.
For double ku தான் 23. For single ku, oh sorry, single ku 23, for double ku 20, where only in exponents we have 8 here. In this case of double we have 11. So this is the bit representation for double precision floating point. இங்க 0ல இருந்து 31 they have represent. Actually it is 0 to 64. அவங்க வந்து ஒரு 232 bit தான form a double precision floating point. அதனால அப்படி represent பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Before going for this explanation, you have to know about what is IEEE standard 754 floating point. Okay? Able to see the information what I am displaying from the net? Please reply yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All the system, all the processor have to be dependent on this standard. இப்போ எல்லாம் இந்த ஸ்டாண்டர்டை தான் ஃபாலோ பண்ணுவாங்க. If you are a computer architecture, you are going to design a ALU process, ALU unit, where you have to perform all type of addition, subtraction, multiplication, along with floating point representation, floating point calculation. அப்ப for under floating point, large amount of numbers support பண்ணனும்னா ஒரு ஸ்டாண்டர்டை நீங்க ஃபாலோ பண்ணனும். அது என்ன ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்னா IEEE standard 754 floating point numbers. What is this meaning? IEEE standard for floating point numbers, IEEE 754, is nothing but a technical standard to be followed for a floating point computation, which was established in 1985 by the Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers, IEEE, Electrical and Electronic Engineers. And this standard address many problems found in the diverse floating point implementation that made them difficult to use reliably and reduce their portability. So this standard follow பண்றதால most of the floating point number calculations are done perfectly. And most of the representation, this floating point representation standard, are used in real numbers of computers like Intel based PC, Mac, and most Unix platform. So this is the main use of IEEE 754. So there are several ways to represent this floating point numbers, and most of the cases, what are the three basic components you know? The sign of mantissa. Mantissa na fractional point. ஃப்ராக்ஷனல் நம்பரோட சைன் இருக்கும். நிறைய நம்பர்ஸ் நீங்க ரெஃபர் பண்ணும்போது -2.5, 25.6, +25.6, அது மாதிரி சைன் பிட்டோட தான் வரும் நம்பர்ஸ். ஸோ சைன் ஆஃப் த மேண்டிசா இஸ் ஆல்சோ கால்ட் அஸ் ஃப்ராக்ஷனல் வேல்யூ. த பையர்ஸ் எக்ஸ்போனன்ட் ஃபார் சிங்கிள் ப்ரிசிஷன், வாட் இஸ் அ பையர்ஸ் வேல்யூ? 127. Similarly for double precision, 1023. So buyer's exponent have to be done the normalized mantissa. Fractional point, after converting a given decimal number to a binary form, we have to do normalization. Then only it is easy for us to place in the single precision or double precision format. So these are the three main components under the IEEE 754 standard. So this already you know, 0 represent the positive number, 1 represent a negative number. This is a sign of mantissa. Bias exponent, the exponent field need to represent both positive and negative exponent. So the bias is added to the actual exponent in order to get the stored exponent. What is the real exponent? What is the stored exponent now? According to the single precision, what is the bias value? Double precision, what is the double? Normalized mantissa, the mantissa is a part of a number in a scientific notation. So scientific notations are nothing but a single digit before the decimal, sorry, here you have to mention as binary point. Single digit before the binary point have to be placed and that should be a non-zero value, not leading with a zero. So scientific notation of floating point number consists of the significant digit. Here we have only 2 digits, that is zeros and 1, because we deal with the binary calculations, the floating point values. Normalized mantissa is one with only 1. So அப்ப normalized mantissa எப்ப நம்ம சொல்றோம் when it is starting with 1.0. Simple. Left of the decimal. இங்க வந்து left of the binary னு வரும். Binary actually. நம்ம binary concept. Yesterday we have discussed this is a single precision IEEE 754 floating point standard. 1 bit is allotted, 8 bit for exponent. Mantissa is also called as fractional point, 23 bit. Totally 32 bit representation for a single precision. Double precision, sign, exponent, mantissa, 52 bit. அதாவது range of numbers தான் இங்க போட்டிருக்காங்க. Range of numbers. Okay, 52 bit. So these then you know, for any given numbers, yesterday we have seen an example. For any given floating point number, how we have to convert to its binary form and how we have to do biasing normalization. First step is note down the sign bit. It is 0 as it is a positive number. Next we go for conversion of two information, sign, single precision, double precision. For single precision, bias exponent. What is bias exponent? Biasing. Already we have converted all the decimal number to a binary. So 85 binary convert பண்ணிட்டோம். 0.125 we have converted and we have what we have done? Normalized. We have normalized. Scientific notation convert பண்ணிட்டோம். Scientific notation ல தான் இந்த point வந்து just move. Scientific notation நாவே என்ன? ஒரே ஒரு binary pointக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு digit தான் இருக்கணும். So you have to do convert in such a way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 point the value into 2 to the power 6 exponent. Students, can you hear me? Any break of voice? Voice ஏதா break ஆகுதா சொல்லுங்க. Are you all listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Plus for this decimal value you have to convert its binary form. This is said to be normalized mantissa. Oh sorry, this is called as exponent. Exponent வந்து நம்ம binary convert பண்ணிட்டோம். Do not get confused. Normalized mantissa is the this part, fractional part, mantissa part, that has been noted here. Next we will add zeros to complete the 23 bit. So remaining எல்லாமே to complete the 23 bit fractional part for single precision is 23 bit. Remaining all the bit will be placed with zeros. Any doubt with single precision, students? How to convert a given decimal number to its binary form, then noting its sign, then biasing. Biasing is very simple. Focus on the exponent for biasing. Exponent oda value plus பண்ணனும் bias value oda. That value have to be converted to its binary form. This is exponent field oda value. For fractional value, the previous scientific notation la irundhu point க்கு அப்புறம் இருக்கிற value தான் normalized mantissa value. The remaining all you have to place with 0. Any doubt with single precision conversion? Till this any doubt, students? Yesterday we have covered.
No, ma'am.
IEEE 754 single precision is represented. இது எதுக்கு இந்த மாதிரி பிளெயினா கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? You have to imagine its format. Field. This is for sign bit. This is for what? What field is next to sign bit? Please reply. Single precision format field. What are the fields under single precision format? Sign bit.
Exponent, ma'am.
Exponent, then fraction. Okay. அதுதான் இந்த ஸ்பேஸ் விட்டு ரெப்ரசென்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. They have not represented in the box, but you have to understand. Single precision is 0 is for sign bit. 0 are the positive number. Exponent value they have taken from this biased exponent value and placed in the exponent value. So 8 bit check பண்ணிக்கோங்க. 8 bit இருக்கா? Next. இது வரைக்கும் இருக்கிற மேண்டிசா நார்மலைஸ் மேண்டிசா வேல்யூவை பிளேஸ் பண்ணிட்டு ஃபிராக்ஷன் பாயிண்ட் ரிமைனிங் 23 பிட் வரைக்கும் ஃபுல்லா ஜீரோவில் ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணிடணும். டபுள் ப்ரிசிஷன் ஃபார் த சேம் நம்பர். திஸ் இஸ் த நார்மலைஸ்ட் மேண்டிசா நம்பர். Exponential also 6. But what will be differing? For a double precision, biasing is bias values 1023 plus 6 equal to 1029. This you have to convert to its binary form. This is the exponential value now. Normalized mantissa, which is already found from the problem. Okay, that value. Other remaining 52 bit you have to replace with zeros. Okay, 52 number bits. This is 64 bit representation. அதனால தான் fraction point 52 னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. 52 bit. This can be written like this. Double precision format. 0 is for sign bit. Exponential value. What is exponential value you got for a double precision after biasing? Converting into this binary form, this value. Then already mantissa value you have to write here. Remaining till 52 bit you have to place with 0. Any doubts, students? Any value you don't understand? Please reply. After understanding the concept of IEEE 754 standard for floating point number, then you can read this information. It is very simple. Part of IEEE format standard found in usually all of the computers from 1980s. This standard is generally greatly improved both the ease of porting all the floating point programs and quality of computer arithmetic. The pack even more bit into a significant. IEEE 754 makes the leading 1 bit of normalized binary number. So it making us the simplified calculations when we follow the single precision format and double precision. This tableau column is given for the information for the reference for MIPS reference data card. And you not worry about இது எப்படின்னா சிங்கிள் ப்ரெசிஷன் டபுள் ப்ரெசிஷன் ஆப்ஜெக்ட் ரெப்ரசன்டட். ஸோ என்ன மாதிரி கேசஸ், ரேர் கேசஸ், ஸ்பெஷல் கேசஸ், அதுக்கு நம்ம ஒரு அனலைசிஸ். இதை நான் அதுக்கப்புறம் நான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுறேன். திஸ் நீ நாட் கெட் கன்ஃபியூஸ்ட். ஓகே, ஆஃப்டர் டெசிமல் பாயிண்ட் நார்மலி வி ஹாவ் டு ரெப்ரசன்ட் 1 into S1 into 2 to the power -1. எப்படி இருக்கும் அது உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் இல்லையா? எனி ஹோல் நம்பர், எனி ஃப்ளோட்டிங் பாயிண்ட் நம்பர், after that binary point you have to represent as -1, -2, -3, -4. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. அப்படிதான் இருக்கும். Start with the representations. So that only they have explained here. And here for example they have given you the question 1.0 0 to the base 2 into 2 to the power minus 1 would be represented as. How you are going to represent this number into its single precision value? Positive number 1.0, so 0 bit 31 sign bitla 0. Next, what is this exponent? Minus 1. Minus 1 exponent value find பண்ணுங்க. How will you find this value? How will you do biasing for a single precision format? What is the bias value for single precision format?
127, ma'am.
127 minus 1, what? 126. You find the 126 binary form. All are getting this binary form for 126? Please cross check. Binary form எப்படி கண்டுபிடிப்பீங்க? (126) convert to its binary form. What value you will get? See, note whenever you get a negative exponent. So in this case, you have a negative exponent. Negative exponent value minus 1 poses a challenge to simplify sorting. So what do you have to do? If we use 2 complement or any other notation in which negative exponent have a 1 in the most significant bit of the exponent field. Okay? Most significant, negative liya, negative na most significant bit. This is least significant bit, this is most significant bit. You have to represent for a negative number 1 liya. So 1 you have to represent and you have to find its 2's complement and place the exponential value. What is 2's complement? So 1. In this case of positive 1. So as it is a positive number, so most significant bit will be 0 and you know the value for 1 is when you do biasing. So how you have to do? Okay, I'll make this simplified example and post you. Okay, the information, how you have to represent this. If it is a negative exponential value, what you have to do. If it is a positive exponential value, how you have to place. Okay. This is single precision and double precision. We'll just know it. This 2 slides for the information. Tomorrow I'll just post or I'll send the information. You read out. Okay. உங்களுக்கு difference தெரியும். When you are using a negative exponential என்ன வரும், positive என்ன வரும். The decimal notations must therefore represent the most negative exponent 0, 0, 0 to the base 2. The most positive as 1, 1, 1. This conversion is called as Bayes notations, and Bayes being the subtracted from the normal unsigned representation to determine the real value. So for IEEE 754, the Bayes value for single precision is 127. And the exponent, as you know from the previous example, it is -1, is represented by the bit pattern of the value. So how we have to convert -1 plus 127, you'll get 126. 126 ஓட binary version. All got this binary version for 126? Students, please reply. Did you get or not? Did you get this binary version? Kindly reply. See here from the question you are getting -1 illiyappa. So -1 is a negative exponential form. You all know single precision or a Bayes value 127. So how you have to convert the exponent by adding the Bayes value. -1 is the given question, a negative exponent. -1 plus you have to add the Bayes value, yeah. So you'll get negative. You have to minus this 126 and convert it into binary form. How you will represent +1 exponent? 1 plus 127, 128. Convert to its binary form. The exponent base for double precision is 1023. We have to just add 1023 in the case of double precision. This is the format for floating point numbers. -1 the sign bit into 1 plus fraction into 2 to the power exponent minus Bayes. The range of single precision number is then from as small as, so you know how to convert this into a scientific notation, plus or minus 1.000, 32-bit representation, to the base 2 into 2 to the power minus 126 in the case of single precision number. Single precision number. Exponential எப்படி -1 க்கு பதிலா -126. In this positive exponential, we have to represent plus 127. And here already they have told negative exponent means you have to represent 0000. If it is a positive exponent, then you have to mention the fraction as 1111. Okay. Got the point how they have replaced this 111 and 0001? Students, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So from this example, 1.0 into 2 to the power -1, the point you have to remember is, if you have got any negative exponent value, you have to do biasing. So biasing, if you got a negative exponent, then you have to replace all the exponent value, fractional value with zeros. Fractional values with zeros. In this case, ஏன்னா இதுல வந்து 1.0 தான் மென்ஷன் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So here is not a real fractional value is not given in the case of binary floating point. 1.0. If for you a question is asked in an MCQ question, convert 1.0 into 2 to the power -1 அப்படின்னா they will give some option. Okay, or they can give this format. And what is the exponential value they can ask. So remember, if you have a negative exponent value, replace all the fractional value with a 0. If it is a positive number, positive exponent value, then you have to replace with 1. Which you have to replace with 1? Fractional point. Fractional part. Okay? So this conversion is simple and biasing have to be done. For single precision 127, so how they have converted this negative exponent plus 127, 126 convert to its binary form. Then again for a positive exponent add and convert to its binary form. Normal representation of floating point number in Bayes exponent meaning. Try to understand. Bayes exponent means that the value represented by the floating point number is really -1 for sign bit into 1 plus fraction into, okay, I think now you got the point. How they have placed this value 000 எப்படி வந்துச்சு? Fraction value, if it is a negative exponent, then you have to replace with 0 nu பார்த்தாச்சு. After replacing with 0, you have to add with 1. When you are adding with 1, you will get what value? When you are adding with 1, you will get what value? One plus fraction into 2 to the power exponent minus Bayes. Exponent values -1 minus Bayes, you get -126. The range of single precision you have to represent as plus or minus 1 point, remaining all 0 when it is a negative exponent. When it is a positive exponent, you have to replace all the fractional part or the mantissa part as 1 into 2 to the power 127. The ரெண்டு ஸ்லைடும் with examples நான் சொல்றேன். And last topic is any given IEEE 754 binary representation of a number. Now a given number to you is, this is a floating point representation number. You have to make this number to a single precision and double precision format. Given number is negative number minus 0.75 to the base 10 has been given. So you can't take as set, you have to convert to its binary form. First you make what are the fractional values. 0.75 is nothing but 75 divided by 100. You'll give the fraction 3 divided by 4. Or you can also represent it as 3 divided by 2 to the power 2. Other way of representation. Binary fraction. How you have got 1 1 நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. இது வந்து decimal representation base பார்த்துக்கோங்க. From this only answer starts. After given number has been converted to again a decimal number தான் இது base 10. Now you have to represent this 3 in a binary form. இது 11 கிடையாது 1 1. Try to understand. 3 ஓட binary representation என்ன? 1 2 4 8 2 plus 1 3. இல்லையா? So binary representation base 2 divided by 2 to the power 2. Any doubt in this part? A given number is converted to its decimal number in a fractional part. This fractional part has been converted to its binary fractional part, where 3 is represented as in the binary form with the base 2 divided by 2 to the power 2 base 10. இது வந்து அப்படியே வச்சிருக்காங்க. Now this 2 to the power 2, when it goes up, it is called as 2 to the power minus 2 இல்லையா? அப்ப பாயிண்ட் 2 decimal point binary point ன்னு சொல்லலாம். ஓகேவா? binary point வச்சுட்டு you can represent minus 0.11 to the base 2. Any doubt in this? This can also be represented like this. Correct? Any doubt, students? Please reply. This 3 has been represented in the binary form 1 1 value. It's not 11. Try to understand. It is a binary form base 2. Here they have just kept in a decimal point. The other representation, way of representing this value like this. Divided by 2 to the power 2, when it goes up, it becomes 2 to the power minus 2. Okay, minus 2, scientific notation. Just negative number அப்படியே வச்சுட்டு 2 binary point தள்ளி point வச்சுட்டு 0.11 to the base 2. Now how we have to represent the scientific notations? This can be also be represented as 0.11 to base 2 into 2 to the power 0. 2 to the power 0. This is a normal scientific notation, but this cannot be proceeded. What is the first aim? We have to do the normalized number. Normalized number would have hint enna, a single digit have to be present before the binary point, and that should be a non-zero value. Students, any doubt in this case? So how to convert this into a normalized form? You just shift this binary point to the previous digit, then you can make this as a normalized form. 1.1 into, as you have moved binary point here, you have to represent its move here in the exponent, -1. Any doubt in this, students? Please reply. Please reply.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So always focus on any given fractional number, any given floating number, convert to its fractional point and convert to its binary fraction. Then scientific notation, how you can convert this scientific notation, how you can represent na base irukano, exponential irukano, fractional part irukano. Again, this should be normalized. And you know the floating point order, single precision numbers, -1 sign into 1 plus fraction into 2 to the power exponent -127. When you have a negative number, you have to do exponent -127. Exponent value is what? -1. Okay. And you have to replace this, subtract the bias 127 with the exponent -1.1 value. 1.1 into 2 to the power -1 yield. Why we say yes வந்து இங்க எப்படி 1 ஆகுது தெரியுதுல, இது sign bit. Sign bit வந்து 1 because we have a negative number 1. In place of yes they have mentioned 1 into 1 plus 0.10000. Last bit is a sign bit, remaining all 0. 2 to the power 126 minus 127. The single binary representation, how you have to represent this number for in a single sign bit 1, 8-bit representation from the exponent value. Exponent value என்ன? You can இது வந்து நீங்க இந்த மாதிரி ஃபாலோ பண்ணுங்க, இல்ல what we have taught yesterday you just cross check with this value. Okay, need not get confused with this also. Give a negative number, positive number and the concept வச்சிட்டு just cross check with this value. Again I will discuss tomorrow. I'll discuss. This is a sign bit. This is a significant, or is also called as fractional or mantissa part. This is the exponential base. This is the exponent. Okay. 32-bit format, 64-bit format, single precision, double precision. What are the features under IEEE for single precision, double precision? Again, I'll discuss the topic tomorrow with examples. Okay, how to solve a given floating point to its single precision, double precision. Any doubt you have? Examples மட்டும் கொஞ்சம் டவுட் இருக்கு. பாசிட்டிவ் எக்ஸ்போனென்ஷியல் வந்தா என்ன, நெகட்டிவ் எக்ஸ்போனென்ஷியல் என்ன, அது வந்து நாளைக்கு கிளியரா நம்ம அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே, till that I'll send this PPT. Kindly note. Asha, can you send the absentees name? Asha, are you there? Asha, absent தான். அஷாக்கே absent போட்டுருவீங்க. எங்க இருக்க அஷா நீ?